Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can customize the letter spacing of text boxes in your website projects on Framer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your website project on Framer and open it in the website editor. Next, navigate to the given page of your website and insert the text by using the text box tool at the top. Left click. And then let me go with that page here and position it somewhere where we have some space here, for example, and then enter the text box, for example, type in the text here. So what you want to do, guys, is highlight the text and then navigate to the customization and text formatting panel to the right. From here, what you want to do is navigate to the text panel, expand it if needed. And then under size, you will see letter and line. So to change the letter spacing, use these panels to the right. You may increase the letter spacing and see the result here, or decrease it. Of course, it may be necessary to resize the text box or the font itself to see the effect more clearly. And that's basically it, guys. You can also change the measurement unit to the right to pixels, and yeah, here use these options. You can also go to minus, so decrease the letter spacing to decrease the space between these letters like this, right? So to make these gaps smaller. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.